Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to India from your Remitly app. So when you sign up to Remitly, it'll automatically ask you what country you're going to be sending money from and to. Now, in case you haven't set that yet, in order to change that, just go to Manage right over here, and under Account Details, it'll ask you where you're going to be sending to. So since today we're going to be sending to India, we're just going to change this to India. Alright, so once that's selected, let's close out of here. Once that's selected, just click on the send icon right over here, and then it'll ask you for how much you're going to be sending. So if we're going to send in US dollars, say 150 US dollars, it's going to show you automatically how much your recipient is going to receive in Indian rupee. So right now they're going to receive 12,879, and as you can see, we have a promo exchange rate applied since this is the first time that we're going to be sending money. And over here, it's going to ask you what delivery speeds you would like. So for Express, which gets delivered instantly, you can pay with your debit or credit card, and you will see the exchange rate there as well. If you're going to be choosing economy, this gets delivered in 3 to 6 days, and you're going to be paying using a bank account. Now, as you can see, this is going to be a lower amount because it gets delivered in 3 to 6 days compared to the Express, which is usually 84.33, which gets delivered instantly. Now, just pick whatever delivery speed you want and confirm the details here. So the total fee is going to be $3.99. That's going to be deducted from the amount that you're going to be sending. So if you're sending $150, your recipient's only going to receive about $146 minus the fees. So once you're happy with that, just click on continue. And the next step is it's going to ask for your delivery method. So you could either choose UPI, bank deposit, or cash pickup. So for now, we're just going to use bank deposit, and this gets delivered in 5 minutes to the local bank account of your recipient. Just click on continue, and then it's going to ask you for the bank details. And then once you've picked your recipient's bank, it's going to ask you to confirm the bank account details. Once you've confirmed that, it's then going to ask you for your payment method and bank account details, and the transfer will be sent successfully. So that's how easy it is to send money using Remitly from the USA to India. Let me know if you have any questions.